To date, this could possibly be one of the most important e-readers to ever be released, that at least we've seen at Good e-Reader. This is the Pocketbook Color, and why this is so important is because it's color. And not only that, we've seen the iReader and the JetBook and stuff like that. This is a mainstream brand like Pocketbook worldwide. iReader exists primarily in China. This device is worldwide, and it's here. This is not prototype stage. This is not experimental stage. This is an actual retail available product, purchasable through Good e-Reader, of the Color by Pocketbook. You can see here, e-ink print color paper technology. We've seen this many times at location, at numerous trade shows, 6-inch audiobook support, Bluetooth, and a plethora of different languages. Now I see we have this tape here, and I wasn't prepared for that, so let's crack this open. Now, why we want to do this on camera is because we truly have never seen this device yet. We've seen the iReader, we have the iReader, and that was the first color e-ink device to be released mainstream, aside from, I guess, the Hisense A5C, if you want to split hairs. Hisense is a very big brand, but Pocketbook is a very big brand as well, and they've been around for over a decade. So we want to do this with you guys on camera, because I've never seen this device. Seriously. Wow, okay. Color. Color is pretty impressive. It's more impressive, device to device, but certain devices do different things. Really bright glow lights, screen protectors over them. We don't know what they're doing on the Color here. Warranty guide is huge, 55 pages plus front and back. It's because they have a numerous amount of languages. You can see here tons of different languages. It's very nice. They've always included this in their boxes recently. You can see my life with a cover, without a cover. It's very important to have a cover if you want to protect your investment. And some customer service center, quick start guide, do not throw it away, stuff like that. Have our USB cable here, micro USB. And our dongle. This dongle was a couple generations ago. They started putting the dongles in the devices like that. And yeah, so that's basically everything that's in the box. Let's go ahead and check the device out itself. So exciting. Ooh, look at that. Color. We are obviously going to do tons of videos on this. This is a very monumental time in the e-reader world to have color. This particular color, I don't see what it says on the box. There it is, Moon Silver. This is the Moon Silver color. So if you want to see what it looks like getting caught in the light like that, has kind of a coppery tone if faced away from light. When you catch light, it looks like silver. Nothing on the top, nothing on the side, nothing on the other side, and you get your 4 buttons down below here. You get your home, back, forward, and menu button, or more button, and on the bottom you have an SD card, a micro USB, and a power with built-in status indicator light. Look at that color. That is so cool. Very nice. Let's do a first time boot up. We are going to stop after the first time boot up. We're not going to review this. If you guys want to complain, complain away in the comment section down below, because this is not a review. This is an unboxing to show you guys what this looks like in a retail environment. These devices are not available worldwide. It's hard to get your hands on these. It's hard to know what comes in the box. So we're going to skip everything, ignore anyways. And you can see right here, we are started in color. The glow light is very prominent, so you want to slide the top down like that, and you can lower the brightness. Typically, color devices with the brightness off look very poor. The Pocketbook looks very good. We're stopping there. Haha. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. We are going to dive deep more on this for reviews, comparisons, outdoor tests, reading tests, color tests, PDFs. Everything is going to be color for the foreseeable future. No, maybe for a couple days. We're really going to be focusing on the color because this is a very important time at Good e-Reader and in the world of e-readers. So for goodereader.com and an unboxing of the brand new Pocketbook Color, this is Peter.